Do not post your achievement on social media. Post unnecessary stuff like comedy videos, any funny videos, so people can think that you are wasting your time. You are a waste fellow because people hates the progress. So namaskaram, this is Kapil from EHS Academy and welcome to another informative video. Guys, today's video is gonna be super special for you because in today's video we are going to discuss about what are the Ayush membership that is present and how you can take them and what is the flow of that. It means first what membership you need to take, then what you need to take. Okay, so everything about membership we are going to discuss in this video. So without wasting any single second, let's get straight into the video. Okay, fine guys, there are around 6 membership that is provided by Ayush. Now everybody will be having understanding about Ayush because already a lot of videos is available about Ayush. Okay, so here you can see a lot of video, a lot of I have written some names. So Ayush membership, which is around 6 categories, can be divided into affiliate member, associate member, technical member, graduate member, chartered member and chartered fellow member. So these are the 6 categories of Ayush membership. But at the initial stages, if you are new, if you are a fresher, just you have 2 categories of membership which can started by you. Okay, see, first of all, one membership is there that is called affiliate. Okay, one student membership is also there which I haven't mentioned here. Okay, one student membership is also there and one affiliate is there. So these two are the basic membership. If you just want to start, you can start from up to grad Ayush also. Okay, but if you just want to start, if you want just basic understanding, you can start from that. Okay, student membership is also there and affiliate is also there. So these are the categories of membership. Okay, now every membership will be having its unique characteristics. If you want to achieve any membership, there will be separate criteria for that, separate procedure for that. So we will discuss now. Okay, but if you are initial, you can start with student member or affiliate member. So now I will give you some understanding what is the meaning of student member and what is the meaning of affiliate member. See guys, student member means if you have any sort of qualification within health and safety, any qualification. Now they have, Ayush have specifically mentioned around 4 qualifications that we will discuss. Okay, if you have these qualification, you can apply for that, or any OHS, occupational health and safety apprenticeship. Okay, if you have that also, you can apply for that. Now if you don't have any qualification, don't worry, you can go for affiliate member also, that is also a member. Okay, now one important tip that I want to give to you is, generally people, most of the health and safety professional start their membership with the tech category. What is that? Tech category. And some of them also start with grad category because these are the professional one. If you are holding like affiliate members, student member, then you cannot reflect them after your name. Okay, it looks little bit not professional, what you can call it. Okay, so you can start with tech Ayush or grad Ayush and further move to the next category depend upon your experience. Okay, okay, fine guys, now let's go to the pathway. It means how you can start, what is the perfect pathway for attaining these memberships. Okay, so here you can see one chat which I have drawn for you. Okay, so initially, as I told you, student member or affiliate member, I told you the criteria for them, and a student or affiliate member. Now see, after the student or affiliate member, you can go to any associate member, technical member, graduate member. For these 3 there are different criteria. Okay, you can directly approach to any membership out of these 3. Okay, you have the access, you can directly approach. If you want to be a graduate member directly, you can become. If you want to technical, you can become. If you want to become associate, you can become directly. Okay, but you should have some qualification that I will tell you. But if you want to do chartered or chartered fellow, then you must need to go through graduate membership. You cannot directly become from technical to CM Ayush or technical to CF Ayush. Okay, there are some procedure for that. Okay, now you understood this particular pathway. Let's move to the another one slide and discuss some important points. Okay, before going through the individual membership, you should have some basic understanding. That is, you can only attain chartered membership if you have completed Ayush IPD process. There is no shortcut. Now what is the meaning of IPD, initial process development? You can see here. Okay, IPD. Now IPD is different and CPD is different little bit. Okay, now see, for IPD and CPD, I will make a separate video on that. What is CPD, continuous professional development, and what is IPD? Okay, separate videos will be there, so you can understand because these are very important. Now in this competitive era, this is very important to make your CPD and IPD ready. Okay, moving affiliate to graduate, not going through technical is possible. As I told you, from affiliate directly you can move to the graduate. That is no problem. But when you are moving upper grades like CM Ayush and CF Ayush, then you should go through grad Ayush. That is very important. Next is, you cannot move from technical grade directly to the chartered by passing graduate level. As I told you previous point, graduate is must. You need to take graduate membership at any cost because it is a very important step if you want to move through further membership like CM Ayush or CF Ayush. Next is, student members can only move directly from graduate level but may also progress via technical grade. So it is like step by step also you can go and directly also you can go. You have the access of both. Now one important thing is there, guys. You will ask me, sir, why we need to take this membership, why we need to give fees to them, why we need to take that membership. So see, generally there are various reasons why you need to take the membership, but I will tell only one. In that one only everything will be cleared, and you can tell this reason to anyone. Okay, see, now we are living in 2021. Okay, this is a very competitive area. Everyone have the health and safety qualification, everybody is intelligent nowadays. Okay, so at the time, to show your employer that you are also updated, you are doing self improvement by attaining qualification, taking memberships. Okay, this memberships are become important. Not only IOSH, every membership which is given by health and safety bodies. Okay, so this is one of the important reasons, and benefits are also included in that we will discuss sometime. Okay, let's move to the another one, that is student and affiliate membership. Let's discuss that because it is very important. Okay, now, student and affiliate membership, what is that? Open to anyone studying in accredited occupational safety and health qualification equivalent to EQF level 4 or level 6 and apprentice in SHE. This particular criteria is for student member. What is that? This is for student member. If you want to become student member, then you should have any qualification within health and safety equivalent to European Qualification Framework level 4 or level 6 or any SHE apprenticeship. Okay. Now, if you don't want to become student member, if you want to become affiliate member, then non-student, those who are not student, just practicing, just doing the health and safety duties, regardless of their qualification and experience, they can become at this stage. And at this student and that affiliate membership, CPD is discriminatory. It means if you want to make it, you can make, otherwise there is no mandatory. Okay, let's move to the another one, that is your associate membership. What is that? Associate membership. To become associate member, you must have accredited qualification. Now, accredited qualification, this word particularly, accredited qualification will be used in this particular presentation, in this particular session multiple times. So inside the IOSH means, what IOSH defines accredited qualification means, this is that: graduate category, any graduate degree, BSc ordinary or in EHS management, MSc in EHS management, or PG diploma in EHS management. Generally, IOSH have written these 4 qualification as accredited qualification, but these accredited qualification is not only limited to that. I have seen a lot of people after BSc Fire and Safety, they are taking IOSH membership, graduate category. But the thing is that you need to get verified, because within the health and safety field, a lot of qualifications are there. So every qualification cannot be like you can tell recognized by everybody. Okay, there are some specific criteria for that. Second is, after this category, you are eligible to use words like AIOSH after your name. It means if you have completed this membership, not student and affiliate, associate, then you can use AIOSH after your name. What is that? AIOSH. Okay, that is the benefit of that. Let's move to the technical membership. Technical membership. Okay, so you can see here the requirement for that. For technical, to become a technical member, you must have a suitable level of experience in health and safety as well as accredited qualification. There is an experience requirement. Generally, I think it's around 2 years, if I'm not wrong. Around 2 years they have asked the experience requirement. To maintain your status and keep your skills, knowledge and experience, you have to join CPD program, continuing professional development program. You need to join. Okay, CPD, if I explain you in short words what is the meaning of CPD. CPD means for the 1 year. For 1 year, what are the different activities you have? It means different plans you have to improve your knowledge. Okay, just a plan. So we'll take one comprehensive video on that in the upcoming future. Now, as a technical member, you can use Tech IOSH after your name. You can utilize Tech IOSH after your name. Okay, that is the benefit of that. So it is one of the professional category. If you want to start, you can start with Tech IOSH. I've seen a lot of people taking Tech IOSH membership. This is one of the professional category. Now, graduate membership, and very important. If you want to achieve greater heights in health and safety, this is one of the important category. So simple answer for that is, you need any level 6 qualification. It may be anything which is recognized by IOSH, you can take that. Okay, this category is for those who are working towards becoming chartered member. You need to complete IPD, initial professional development. IPD you need to complete, and if you want to move to higher grades like CM IOSH, CF IOSH, you can do this qualification, and it is one of the mandatory requirement. Any level 6 qualification you need. Okay, you need to complete a graduate level qualification or level 6, as I told you previous point. CPD is mandatory, sir. Here you need to maintain the CPD. Okay, CPD is very mandatory. Now, chartered membership, and very important, chartered membership. Okay, when your graduate status is confirmed, IOSH will invite you to join the IPD program move towards the chartered status. Once you become graduate, IOSH will approach you to start your IPD, initial professional development. Okay, so you can move to the chartered status depending on the qualification at graduate level. Now see, a level 6 qualification varies. Okay, different qualification are there. NVQ is there, IDSC is there, NIBOSH is there, BSc is there. A lot of qualifications is there. So depend upon your qualification. If you have vocational qualification, then the procedure will be different. If you have academic like qualification, then the procedure will be different. So here you have written vocational qualification. If you have, it will start with open assessment and then concluding with a peer interview. What is that? Peer interview. If you have different qualification like degree, diploma, NIBOSH, NCRQ qualification, then it will start with skills portfolio and then peer interview. Okay, for different qualification there will be different way which you need to conclude. Now let's move to the last one, that is called chartered fellow. What is that? Chartered fellow. For chartered fellow, you need at least 5 years of experience at the chartered membership. That is called CMIOSH. Okay, successful application including portfolio and interview, it need to be done, and you can use CFIOSH, golden words after your name. Okay, in the chartered member you can use CMIOSH. Here you can use CFIOSH. So this is CFIOSH is the biggest membership that you can attain. Okay, this is the biggest membership that you can attain and show that you have good knowledge, you have robust understanding of health and safety concepts. So guys, this was the basically membership, okay, that you can take and progress your career. Okay, so now, do you need to take membership? The main question is that I'm a student, can I take that? See, if you're a student, then you can take. If you have money, means you can take it. That's not a problem. But apart from the membership, also there are a lot of resources are there. But membership also have its separate benefits. So it's up to you. If you want to invest your knowledge, generally taking membership is a very good thing, because it is like a self-investment. You are investing on yourself by taking this membership. The thing is that you will keep updated by the things which is going on in health and safety, because we cannot learn everything now. Everything is not possible. So IOSH will provide you these things regarding health and safety. So guys, this is about the full analysis on these topics. I hope you understood about the membership, their criteria, and which membership is suitable for you. Till now, if you have any further doubts, you can drop them in the comment box. I'll read that and answer you as soon as possible. So this was the end of this video. Share this video, like this video, and subscribe to this channel. You are not subscribing. A lot of people have seen that they are not subscribing, just seeing the videos. Subscribe that so you can become a part of our family, HS Academy family. So thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.